Hey everybody. Once again, my son was out in the neighborhood and found another bike out for the trash. This one's pretty complete and definitely is dirty and needs some work. It is a Realm Cycles South Bay 21 speed men's mountain bike. As you can see, the inner tube spoke protector is hanging out of the tire. Tire's flat, very dirty. We have ants living in it, if you can see. Pretty dirty. Coming around here, the chain's off. You can obviously it was out for the trash because it's been nasty, dirty. Both tires flat. Chain off. Shimano equipped. It's got the twist handle shifters up front. Ooh, it's got a bell rear light. Let's see if it works. Ooh, hey, it still works. The batteries are still good. Pretty cool. It's up. There it goes. Flash, flash, flash. All right, and there's off. All right, everybody. Well, we got another one out of the trash. It's a men's bike. Yeah, the tires are pretty cracked up, so it's probably gonna need tires and tubes and the protectors. Um, ooh, that doesn't turn over. It's been sitting outside for a while, so we're gonna have to take a look at it. Up chains off up front also. Ants crawling all over it. Um, Definitely needs a lot of love. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that right there in the corner. Please like and don't like. And we'll talk to you all later. Thanks.